My student, welcome to lesson number 16. After we are done with direct and indirect objects, here I am to make sure that you get this properly. We call them the pronoun clarity. What is now the word clarity? Clarity means distinct, something that is clear, something that you can see all through. Now the point is this, under pronoun, these are words that replace nouns. Nouns are subjects, the doers. Are we together? The subject of a sentence. Come with me. Now, you must ensure your reader knows who exactly are you talking about. You know, you can't just form sentence or form phrases and we don't know who are you referring to. For example, if we form sentences using these pronouns here, he, she, or it, we must know when you have formulated these sentences, how can I understand what are you talking about? For example, we have a sentence here. Peter lost his keys and he was upset. Now, this is simple. Where is our pronoun? Our pronoun is here. He. So Peter lost his keys and he was upset. Because it will be tautology if I say Peter lost his keys. Peter was upset. So I haven't used, number one, a pronoun, and I've caused repetition, which is a killer in grammar. So it's better off if I say Peter lost his keys and he was upset. Now, listen to me here. But now, this he refers to Peter. So it is simple because now Peter lost his keys. He was upset. Who was upset? Peter. Why? He lost his keys. Now, the car hit a tree, but it was not damaged. Now, we have the car and a tree. So, the car hit a tree, but it was not damaged. This is ambiguous. It means two things. The car hit a tree and it was not damaged. Number one, it means the car itself was never damaged. Number two, it means the tree was never damaged. So we have two subjects. That is the car and the tree are our subjects. And the both subjects, for us to understand what was damaged, we must have clarity of the pronoun. So in this case, I don't know what was damaged. What I know, both were damaged. Or if I just rest at a point of neutrality, I'll say nothing was damaged, because then the car hit a tree, but it was not damaged. So either way, the car might not have any fatal injuries, or the tree might not have any injury. So the point is this, that now we must have clarity here in the pronoun here. You could make this sentence better and well understandable if you say the car hit a tree, but the car was not damaged. So the subject, but the car was not damaged, has referred to me, oh, the car was also again not damaged. The car hit a tree, but the tree was never damaged. So the big deal of these all pronoun clarity, it makes and it also ensures that we have a good clarity here in reference to our subjects here. So the car hit a tree, but the car again was not done what? Damaged. Let me move to the third sentence. Sarah and Jane are friends. They studied together. This is simple. That now they, as our pronoun, is referring to the subjects here. It's very clear. Sarah and Jane are friends. They study together. Another sentence that is very key is this one. Give the folder to Mark so he can read it. Now, tell me, what is the pronouns, or what pronoun have you identified here? Give the folder to Mark so he can read it. Number one, we have he. That is the first what? Pronoun. What is the second pronoun here? We also have what we call it. It is referring. So the point is this now. Give the folder to Mark so he can read it. He is referring to Mark. And now it is referring to the folder. So you must be very clear when writing these pronouns. Remember, I want you to be a good communication student. You must communicate clearly. Right here in Ombasa English Academy, this is a place that you have chosen that will guide you properly. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tomorrow when I'm talking inside this house, lesson number 17, stay tuned, come with a friend. Goodbye. Thank you so much.